Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can top up your Tron on your Trust Wallet application. And this can easily be done by opening up your Binance app. You give it some time to load in, that's the Binance application. And what we're going to be doing here is, if you don't have enough Tron on your wallet, you could simply swap any currency you possibly have on your Binance into the Tron that you need by tapping on this convert here and simply clicking from BUSD to Tron TRX, and you just input any amount, any figure you need, and you can simply convert it by clicking on preview conversion, and boom, that's all it takes. So now we're going to be clicking on this arrow right here, which is pointing to the right. You scroll to spots, click on withdraw. Once I withdraw, we're withdrawing Tron, sending via crypto network. Okay, now we minimize this section and head over to our Trust Wallet. Once at Trust Wallet, you input your passcode, that's to gain access to your account. From there, we scroll to the Tron available on our wallet, click on receive, copy this wallet address, minimize and head back to Binance, paste that wallet address we just copied, and it shows Tron TRC20. Click on max, meaning we're going to be receiving about 5 Tron. They are taking 1 Tron as a transaction fee. Click on withdraw, click on confirm. You give it some time because you're going to have to go through the verification process. Okay guys, now once your withdrawal is being processed, you simply step back to your Trust Wallet and you open up your Trust Wallet app again, inputting the passcode. Once that has been completed, you simply reload your Trust Wallet application. You reload and you keep on reloading till the deposit of the Tron is made complete. Remember, we're supposed to receive an extra 5, okay? And the Tron has arrived, guys. So that's simply how you top up your Tron on your Trust Wallet application. Comment down below if you have any questions, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.